Humarap sa media ang bagong punong maestrado ng Korte Suprema, si Chief Justice Lucas Bersamin. Tinanong siya kung ano ang aasahan ng publiko sa estilo niya ng pagdesisyon sa mga kaso.
I wanted also to see myself as a judicial activist in some respect. Maybe that can be in the area of environment or in human rights. If there is a presumption in favor of government action, presumption of validity in favor of executive action and legislative action, then I am on the side of judicial restraint. But if it concerns environment and rights that would impact on the people's lives, I will go for judicial activism.
Bilang maestrado, bumoto si Bersamin pabor sa pagdeklarang unconstitutional ng Disbursement Acceleration Program sa ilalim ng Administrasyong Aquino at pagbasura sa kasong plunder laban kay dating Pangulong Gloria Arroyo. Sa ilalim ng Duterte administration, bumoto siya pabor sa gobyerno gaya ng sa co-warranto petition na nagpatalsik kay dating Supreme Court Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno, pagpapalibing kay dating Pangulong Marcos sa libingan ng mga bayani, pagdismiss sa petition laban sa deklarasyon ni Pangulong Duterte ng martial law sa Mindanao at pagbasura ng petisyon ni Senadora Laila de Lima na ipawalang bisa ang kanyang warrant of arrest. Bumoto din siya para payagang magpiyansa si dating Senador Juan Ponce Enrile. Sabi ni Bersamin bilang Chief Justice, pananatilihin niya ang judicial independence ng Korte Suprema mula sa ehekutibo at lehislatura. Pero hindi raw ibig sabihin ito ay lagi niyang kukontrahin ang ibang sangay ng gobyerno.
Maybe your concept, as far as that question goes, your concept of judicial independence is that government should lose the case. I hate to disappoint you. The government is often better the arguments than the other side. You know, the government is represented by the Solicitor General's office. There are also many cases where the government loses, and yet you do not call that independence. It's just that the government had less of the merits of the case than the other side.
Nanumpa sa pwesto si Bersamin sa harap ni Acting Chief Justice Antonio Carpio, isa rin sa mga maestradong pinagpilian ng Pangulo. Sabi dati ni Pangulong Duterte, seniority ang kanya naging basihan sa pagpili noon kay dating Chief Justice Teresita Leonardo de Castro. Si Carpio ang pinaka-senior sa mga maestrado sa Korte Suprema, kaya tinanong si Bersamin kung ano ang komento niya sa issue ng seniority sa kanyang pagkakatalaga sa pwesto.
I will not tackle that part about who between me and any other aspirant for this position to which I have been already appointed fared as far as comparing experience is concerned. I just stand on my own personal record. I think that I have served the longest in the judiciary. I leave that to the President to make a decision what he meant by giving priority or preference to seniority. I cannot second guess the President. But let us trust in his wisdom.
Nagtapos ng abogasya sa University of the East si Bersamin at nag-9th place sa 1973 bar exam. 2003 nang manungkulan siya bilang Associate Justice sa Court of Appeals. Noong April 1, 2009, itinalaga siya ni nooy Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo bilang Associate Justice sa Supreme Court. Dano Tingkong, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.